Breaking news from WNNK Blizzard Central. The governor has declared a state of emergency and all travel will cease at 4 p.m. today until further notice. Our investigative reporter, Nyland R., will have details at 3:30 on what will happen if you travel after 4 p.m. You do not want to know. For now, let's go to Kira, who is on the scene at 183 Carterfield Road to give us a view of the current view of the area. Take it away, Kira.
Thanks, Nora. As you can see, the snow is coming down harder. The green grass has disappeared and won't return until spring. Now let's check in with Nyland on the snow totals.
Thanks, Kira. As an expert in snow, I am excited to report that the current totals at 1:30 are a full inch. Check back at 3:30 when I check the snow again to see the totals. I will also let you know big news from the government.